With a little preparation and know-how, it's easy to move your refrigerator safely and efficiently. Here's what you'll need. First, measure the unit's height, depth, and width. You'll want to keep those dimensions in mind as you plan a moving route. Next, remove all of its contents. Then, give your refrigerator a thorough cleaning so it will be move-in ready when it arrives at your place. Before sliding it forward, protect your flooring with ram board to prevent marks or gouging. After sliding the refrigerator out, unplug it and carefully disconnect the water supply line if there is one. Use moving blankets and ratchet straps to secure your refrigerator while it is in transit. Finally, with the help of a friend, transfer it to a dolly or hand truck. Good luck with the move, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.